5 steps to cure fatty liver disease. Excess fat accumulates inside liver cells, resulting in fatty liver. This means that fatty tissue replaces some of the usual, healthy liver tissue. Fat begins to enter the liver, progressively infiltrating healthy liver regions until only a small amount of healthy liver tissue remains. The fatty liver appears yellow and oily, and it is frequently enlarged and bloated with fat. In the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia, fatty liver is now recognized as the most prevalent cause of abnormal liver function test findings. Abdominal obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes are all linked to fatty liver. If left untreated, it can progress to cirrhosis and liver failure. Many people with a fatty liver are unaware that they have a problem since the symptoms, especially in the early stages, can be vague and non-specific. The majority of people who have a fatty liver are typically ill, and they notice that they are growing increasingly tired and overweight for no obvious cause. Fatty liver can cause the following symptoms: excess belly weight, high cholesterol and triglycerides, dark bags under the eyes, weariness and fatigue on a regular basis. Digestion issues, nausea, increased perspiration, bodily overheating, and immunological dysfunction are all common symptoms. Fortunately, fatty liver may be reversed. Here are 5 options for doing so. 1. Eat few carbohydrates. Fatty liver disease is mostly caused by a poor diet. Sugar and meals produced with white flour are the worst offenders, and they must be avoided at all costs. However, because the liver turns extra glucose into fat, a high consumption of carbohydrate-rich meals in general can develop fatty liver. Bread, pasta, rice, morning cereals, potatoes, and any flour-based meal are among the foods that must be avoided. 2. Drink less alcohol. The second leading cause of fatty liver is excessive alcohol intake. Alcohol can damage liver cells and induce inflammation, culminating in fatty infiltration. Alcohol intake should be limited to 1 drink per day for people with fatty livers, with at least 2 alcohol-free days per week. 3. Increase your intake of veggies, protein, and the proper fats. The most effective liver-healing foods are raw vegetables and fruits. These raw foods aid in liver filter cleansing and regeneration, allowing it to capture and eliminate more fat and toxins from the circulation. Consume a lot of veggies, cooked and raw salads. Protein is essential since it helps to maintain blood sugar levels, aids with abdominal weight reduction, and lowers appetite and cravings. Eggs, poultry, fish, meat, nuts, seeds, whey protein powder, legumes, and dairy products are all good sources of protein. Olive oil, fatty salmon, flax seeds, coconut oil, and raw nuts and seeds are all good sources of healthy fats to add in your diet. 4. Drink raw vegetable juices. Raw juices are a great way to get a lot of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vegetables should make up 80 to 100% of your juice, with fruit making up the rest. Fruit juice is rich in carbohydrate and calories and should be avoided. 5. Take a high-quality liver tonic. Select a liver tonic that includes a scientifically confirmed dosage of St. Mary's thistle, as well as B vitamins, antioxidants, and sulfur-rich amino acids. An excellent liver tonic can aid in the healing of damaged liver cells as well as the liver's fat-burning and detoxifying functions. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.